Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Instagram account using this app called Instagram Plus Plus. It's completely free, works on both iPhone and Android, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. I can't believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So I'm going to open up my iPhone just so I can show you guys what it's all about. So as you can see on the login page, it does say Instagram Plus Plus, and there's a big button that says Recover Account. So what you want to do, guys, once you download this, press Recover Account. It will show you all the available accounts that you can go ahead and recover. Press that. Give it a minute and boom, you should be back in, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's really cool. Get that account of yours back. So I'm going to delete Instagram Plus Plus just so I can show you guys how to get it from the beginning. I'm going to show you guys the iPhone tutorial first. So if you're using an iPhone, before you download this, you want to go ahead and open up settings. And there's a few different options you have to go ahead and change. So once you're in the app, guys, you want to go ahead and scroll down to the Safari section. So let me just go down here, Safari. I'm just going to go ahead and go down. And once you're in the Safari section, guys, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option. So the option we're looking for, guys, is very important. It's called block all cookies. You want to make sure this is off. You'll know it's on because it'll be green like the other settings. So make sure block all cookies is turned off. And once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do now, guys, is go ahead and go up to general. So let me just go ahead and go to the general section right here. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll up. Once you're in the general section, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option called background app refresh and make sure it's on. It's really important because it allows apps to refresh content. To make sure background app refresh is on, and there are a few different ways you can go ahead and do this. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and data, so either one's fine. Just make sure it's on. And once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to the App Store section. And once you're in the App Store section, guys, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option. So the option we're looking for is called automatic downloads. You want to make sure it's on. It should be on by default, but if it's off, turn it on. Once you've done that, you're all set. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go down to the battery section. And once you're in battery, you want to go ahead and find this option. So the option's called low power mode. Make sure it's off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will be yellow. So make sure low power mode is off. Once you've done that, you're all set. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go to this amazing site that I'm about to show you. So let me go to my browser and I'm going to show you guys where you need to go. So the website you want to go to, guys, is super cool. It's called xenohelper.com. It has a ton of mods for apps and games. Once you're on the website, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Instagram Plus Plus. So let me just do that right here. And once it comes up, guys, you just want to go ahead and press install. So after you press install, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and wait until the progress bar reaches the end, and you should get a prompt to install configuration profile onto your device. And as long as you have a decent internet connection, this download shouldn't take that long, guys. It's going to show you a circle when it reaches the end. So let's just give it a minute for it to go ahead and finish loading here. As you can see, it's almost done. I mean, this is just insane, guys. I can't believe it actually works, but it does. So let's give it a minute for the download to go ahead and finish here. As you can see, it's almost finished. I mean, this is just awesome stuff, guys. So as you can see, the progress bar is at the end now, so we should get the circle going around and around. So let's give it a minute for that to start happening. And let's see, guys, and let's see, yeah, there it goes. And then we should get the prompt to install profile onto our device. So let's give it a minute for that to come up. And as you can see, it says, do you want to allow this? So just go ahead and press allow. After you do that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press close, and then just go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up settings. Once you're there, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down to general. And once you're in the general section, guys, what you have to do is go ahead and find this option. The option we're looking for is called profiles. So just scroll down to where it says profiles, and once you're there, you just want to go ahead and find the profile that you downloaded. It will be at the top. It'll say Instagram Plus Plus. Press on that, then press install, and then all you have to do is enter your password. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here. And after you enter the password, guys, go ahead, press install, and then final prompt in red. Go to your home screen. Now you've got it on your device. So now I'm going to show you guys how to download this if you have an Android phone. The guide's a little bit different for Android users. Few different settings you have to go ahead and change. So let me get out my Android, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. So as you can see, I got Instagram Plus Plus on mine. I'm going to go uninstall it just so I can show you guys how to get it from the beginning. And before you download this on Android, you want to go ahead and open up settings, and there's something very important you need to do. So once you're in settings, you want to go to the search bar at the top, and there's a word you need to type in. So the word you want to type in, guys, is unknown. We're looking for an option called install unknown apps, and we need to make sure the web browser we're using to go to the site has permission to install apps. So click install unknown apps, and then go ahead and scroll down until you find install unknown apps in this menu, and then all you have to do is find the browser. So for many of you, that's probably Chrome. If you're using a different browser, that's fine. Just make sure it's permission to install apps. You can see for me, Chrome is allowed. So I'm going to go ahead and press on it, and you can see that I have this option allow from the source on. So make sure that's on, and when you turn this on, if you have a newer phone, you might get a message that says installing apps from unknown sources is potentially dangerous, and you just have to check off the aware of possible risks. So once you've done that, you're good to go. And all you have to do now is go ahead and go to the same website as on iPhone. So remember, guys, that's xenohelper.com. So let me just go to my browser, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where you need to go. So I'm just go to my home screen, and once you're on the website, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Instagram++. It'll come right up, and then go ahead, press install, and then just wait until the progress bar reaches the end, and you should get a prompt to install the Android APK onto your device. Let's give it a minute for that to come up any second now, guys, and let's give it a minute, and it should pop up. And as you can see, it says, do you want to keep it? So go ahead, press OK. After you do that, it will download onto your device, then press open, then it will say, do you want to install this app? And you just want to go ahead, press install. And if you have a newer phone, it might have an inbuilt virus scanner, so it will scan it just to make sure it's safe. So let's give it a minute to go ahead and scan here. It should come back totally safe, so let's just let it load. As you can see, it's almost done. I'm just going to give it a minute, and yep, now I've got it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and share it with your friends, get the word out with this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super cool. It's a crazy trick. I mean, this is just insane. Never thought it would actually work, but it does. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.